breaking news. This is viewers an update on the Karnataka sex scandal. The magistrate now has permitted the petition filed by the advocate of the woman who was on the tape. In fact, the court does say now that a statement will be recorded under section 164. An important development in the entire case. We'll get in our colleague Sagai also with us in just a bit. But this is a development that has just come in from the court where the victim earlier had written to the Karnataka High Court Chief Justice also seeking protection and a court-monitored probe. Do remember again and again she has reiterated that she does feel that her life is in danger. She also wanted to give a detailed statement on the entire issue here, Sagai. You're getting us details of what has happened so far. A statement to be recorded under section 164. What really, Sagai, does that mean for the entire case now?
See, it will be very crucial if the magistrate registered the case, file a statement under section 164. When I was talking to a few advocates, they have clarified that once you file a statement in 164, you cannot change that particular statement. So the people, whoever is backing CD Lady or whoever is giving a legal advice to her, have made a clear step further that whenever they are going to file a statement, it should be ensured that nobody twists that. And that is the reason they are quite reluctant to go in front of SIT. Remember, a special investigation team has been formed under the supervision of an ADGP rank officer. But so far, after several notices which has been issued by SIT, still the lady has not come forward and given her statement to SIT. She had released several videos stating that her life is under threat, and she has also went on to say that SIT have malicious intentions against her by leaking one of the statements to the media because she had personally sent to her, according to her, and that was being leaked to the media.